Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I deadhead Spirea. It's not as easy as just cutting the flowers off, it's about understanding what type of Spirea you've got. So some of them, they flower from old growth and some of them flower from the new growth. Both of the Spireas that I've got in my garden all flower from the new growth, so I can't really comment on ones that flower from old growth at this stage. So yeah, we're just going to jump straight on in and start deadheading some Spirea. This beautiful flowering shrub is called Spirea. You can see some of the flowers are spent or past their time. I'm going to show you how I deadhead these in order to create more flowers in the summer and keep these leaves looking nice and healthy. So what we're looking to do, don't know if you can see it in the camera, we're looking to get just above the woody part here and below those couple of leaf nodes. Chop. The one with the white flowers, it's got beautiful lime coloured leaves. What I find is if you don't clip the flowers back on it, the leaves can become a bit discoloured and look a bit tatty. That's my own observation. I'm not sure if it's true fact, but you can see the flower is coming from the new growth here rather than on the browner part of the stem. So we're going to pick this spot here. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. Just above where the woody part ends, and snip it off. Just where it turns from wood to green, and chop back there. So thank you for watching that video. Do check out another one that I did, and it's more focused on the propagation of Spirea. Spirea is a really easy plant to propagate and looks great. Have a great day.